Hey gang, me again, Daniel Lee's telling you about the cards. I'm telling you the card types this time. So here we go. This first one that you see here with the swords and the shield and the 2 and the 3, this is what is commonly referred to, almost exclusively referred to actually, as a combat card. These are the cards that you will always use to open your combats with. I really shouldn't have to say it, but as you see, the little swords here, you will attack using that number, and the person you're attacking will block with their own combat card with the shield. Anyway, after you have played your combat card, you may then follow it up with a combo card, as indicated by that little C right there. In the actual game, it will not be a little C right there. It will instead be a thing that says combo. And you see, combos are interesting because they usually will have some little extra effects there. As you see, this one only does 0 damage. But why? It's because the next combat card you play this turn gets +5. Oh, and that's pretty cool. And then after you've played your combo, you may again play another combat card, which is a 6. But if you remember what the combo card did, that's going to get +5. That's going to be an 11. That's going to be a big hit. And then you can follow that up with another combo card. And just to show you the variety, this one is just 4 damage. It's a 4 damage combo. It's just, it's nice, pretty decent number. And then you can, of course, follow it up with another combat card with this value. Of course, not this one because you are attacking and then they could block with their own one over here. Then we're going to go ahead and then here's another example of a combo card because I wanted to show you all the different kinds of stuff. This one, 2 damage. Gain 2 bond, and as we've shown you on the tracker, your bond will go up by 2 immediately. That happens right when you do it. And then we got our other card type. These are called Reflex Cards. They are played reactionarily sometimes, or just whenever you want, depending on what the card says. This one is Bothersome Bellows. It is a reflex as indicated by the R, but once again, as I said, there'll be an actual for real thing. And then this one is Return a Combat Card just played to its player's hand. They may play a replacement card of a different value from their hand. So for instance, if they attack you with a big old 5, you can say, no, don't do that. I'm going to play this, and you'll play something probably smaller. And then they'll go, well, I only had that in my hand. I guess I'm not playing anything. And you go, yeah, I reacted. Nice. This next thing is an F. It stands for fusion. Fusions are the 4th type of card. And fusions you can use them for either one of 2 things. If you are not fused, you cannot do this ability. As you see, this is called Quill or Be Quilled, which is hilarious. And you can deal 5 damage to each opponent if you were fused. If you're not fused, you may instead power up with it, or not power up, but you will bolster, as we explained in the turn order. You will bolster for 1 and move yourself up 1 on the tracker. So it becomes this whole mind game of, well, do I want to bolster myself with this or save it for when I am fused and then hit people for 5 damage for 5 damage? And it's the kind of thing you gotta do. So we got all sorts of neat stuff, but that's all of the different card types in a nutshell. We'll have a video kind of showing off more of them in a second. See you on the flip side.